What does it mean to be Zimbabwean? To be Zimbabwean is to carry the mark of leadership. And leadership begins when you embrace your purpose and take responsibility. These times we're living in are evidence that each one of us was born in this generation for a great purpose. A purpose to shape Zimbabwe's future, a responsibility to carry the promise and live in the Zimbabwe we want. Zimbabwe is waiting for a generation of people who understand the meaning of standing up. You are the stepping stone, the one with the flame of inspiration, the one with the passion, the one who has what it takes to move Zimbabwe forward. It's time to stand up and do what is right. It's time to rise and do your part. It's beyond a privilege. It's an inheritance, a pledge that everyone has to make. So rise, Zimbabwe. Simuka, Zimbabwe. Pakama, Zimbabwe. It's time to pledge, register, and go vote. What does it mean? What does it mean to be Zimbabwean? To be Zimbabwean is to carry the mark of leadership. And leadership begins when you embrace your purpose and take responsibility. These times we're living in are evidence that each one of us was born in this generation for a great purpose. A purpose to shape Zimbabwe's future, a responsibility to carry the promise and live in the Zimbabwe we want. Zimbabwe is waiting for a generation of people who understand the meaning of standing up. You are the stepping stone, the one with the flame of inspiration, the one with the passion, the one who has what it takes to move Zimbabwe forward. It's time to stand up and do what is right. It's time to rise and do your part. It's beyond a privilege. It's an inheritance, a pledge that everyone has to make. So rise, Zimbabwe. Simuka, Zimbabwe. Pakama, Zimbabwe. It's time to pledge, register, and go vote. What does it...
Baba uchirwa ere vashoti uri mukati mehelicopter so. People are walking from the Zimbabwe grounds going towards the city center. We are not sure of what is going to be happening when they reach the city center. As you can see, people, we are at Lobel's Bakery just to demonstrate that we are along Simon Mazorodze Road, the road that leads to Masvingo. As you can see, people are walking on foot, going towards the city center. This is a solidarity march to demonstrate that the government of Robert Mugabe is no longer needed in Zimbabwe. This is just the road that leads to ZBC. These are some of the industries that had collapsed under Robert Mugabe's regime, which the people of Zimbabwe who are walking right now to the city center would have thought they could have been working by now, and they would have also been contributing to the GDP, but now they can't do that. These are some of the banks in Zimbabwe that have got no cash. They are just banks with nothing inside, as queues were continuing to be the order of the day. And these people are demonstrating that they have suffered enough under the government of Robert Mugabe, and they are going into the city center where we expect to see an address by some official. They could be defense forces or anyone. We are not very sure, as you can see. These are some of the scenes that you can see from Harare. These are the industrial site where we were supposed to be seeing many people being employed, but some of these industries, they are not working. Now at Robert Mugabe Square, where some of the rallies were done and where some of the machinations were being executed for so many times, right? These are scores of people who are waiting maybe to be addressed here, or they are waiting for an announcement. We'll wait and see as we give you this live from Harare. This is the capital city of Harare, and this is the Rainbow, the HICC, Rainbow Towers. People of all color have come to support this solidarity rally. As you can see, I think the destination is now the State House. We were expecting that people are going to be addressed here at the Robert Mugabe Square, but it seems there's nothing happening here. Everyone is proceeding and getting past this Robert Mugabe Square. This is the Harare Showground. As you can see, these cars are driving all the way from Highfield, where we witnessed an address by various people from different political parties, and they are continuing into the city center. As you can see, the queues are continuing, and there's now a congestion as we enter into the city center right opposite the showground. And we believe that people are now going to the State House. We'll continue to give you the live coverage of what's happening in Zimbabwe. This is the Harare Showground. As you can see, people are getting past. We went through Simon Mazoro's way. We did the right and left turn at Lobos. Went through the industries, past the Total tanks. Now we are getting close to the town center. As you can see, even the school children are in jubilation of what's happening today in the city center of the capital city of Zimbabwe, which is Harare. Scores of people are still marching into the city center. As I said before, we are not sure of where this march is going to end. Most probably it could be the State House. And as you can see, people are still walking from Highfield, and they are walking on foot. And it's a long journey, and they are saying we can do it. Why not today? Because we have already suffered enough under the regime of President Robert Mugabe. These are the queues that are going into the Rotten Row area. As you can see, this is the Rotten Row Court. This is the Rotten Row Court, and people are walking into the city center right now. Yes, that's the Rotten Row Court. And you can see scores of people that are walking into the city center. They are all saying Mugabe must go. And those are scenes of the army car going towards the ZANU-PF end. And as you can see, these are the Zimbabweans that are saying enough is enough. As you can see, placards continue to be seen everywhere you go. We are getting past ZANU-PF headquarters into the city center. That's ZANU-PF headquarters beyond the trees, as you can see. Right, we are entering into Rotten Row now, and we are meeting again cars that are coming from my right, just past the Rotten Row Court, as you can see. As you can see, they are walking and driving from Highfield, and you can see scores of people, all colors, going towards the city center. We will continue to give you a coverage of what's happening in the city center right now. This is Rotten Row. This is Rotten Row now. And as you can see, as my cameraman zooms in, you can see that there are cars and people walking along the Rotten Row, coming from Koko into the city center. This is Net 1 building, as we continue to give you this live coverage of what's happening in the city center of Harare. And we are along Rotten Row, and these are the scenes that have never been thought could happen in Zimbabwe. These are scenes that we thought could only have happened in Egypt, but these are happening in Zimbabwe. And this is Rita Makarao's offices. Right? Say yes to freedom. Why are you saying yes to freedom?
We want freedom in Zimbabwe.
Were you not free all along?
Yes.
Why?
Because of Robert Mugabe.
Okay.
We want him gone.
Thank you. Grace Mugabe is well known for her shopping spree, and this is a demonstration from the Zimbabweans that Gucci, Grace, stop it, harassing the children of Zimbabwe and the daughters and sons of Zimbabwe, and leave them in peace, not in pieces. Right, we continue to give you a live coverage. This is Rotten Row. This is Rotten Row now. As you can hear the horns. I'm sure this is now State House. We are now going to State House. Right. One song that has been very popular during this era or this past week or during the interfaith rallies is a universal song which was sung by none other than Jah Praiser, Kutonga Kwaro Gamba. As you can hear and you can see people who are celebrating with the aid of that song in the background, as you can see right here. Rotten Row. ZANU-PF headquarters, a building where corruption was being orchestrated, and this is what has happened to the normal poster, which was seen in Zimbabwe to be seen to be destroying anything that is related to President Robert Mugabe. As you can see, we are at the ZANU-PF headquarters, and this is the road that leads to HICC. Right, this is HQ, and this is Rita Makarau's offices. As you can see here, these are the ZEC offices. As you can see here, ZEC offices. For the first time, posters related to President Mugabe are being pulled down. It's getting to a dead end. There's a slow pace, a snail pace movement of cars. This is Rita Makarau's office, who was appointed by President Robert Mugabe, most probably to rig the elections in Zimbabwe. These are the offices, and we are seeing, maybe we could see an end to that. We are entering into the city center. This is just on Moyo. This is just on Moyo. As you can see, people are still walking from the Zimbabwe grounds into the city center. This is Nelson Mandela. We are going into the city center right now. This is Nelson Mandela. As we get into the city center to witness the Solidarity March, and we are very sure now, we are very positive that most probably people are destined for the State House. It's getting to a dead end. This is Nelson Mandela from the ZANU-PF end. As I zoom in into the city center towards the first street, these are the scenes of people who are in solidarity with the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. As you can see, it stretches up there, getting past Julius Nyerere. As you can see, right? These are the pictures of what's happening in the city center from all those that are watching from far and afield. This is the central business district as we enter. As you can see, people are happy, smiling, they are cheering, and they are saying it's Freedom Day, the 18th of November 2017.
Stop it, hey!
As you can hear the common phrase from Dr. Amai Grace Mugabe, stop it. This is the Urudza House, and we are crossing Park Street. We are crossing Park Street and zooming into Leopold Takawira Street. As we enter Leopold Takawira Street, and as I zoom into First Street, you can see scores of people and scenes of people returning left into Takawira. This is the... Look at what's happening. This is what's happening in the city center. People continue to walk. I think this time it could be they are going to the State House, or they are going to Africa Unity Square. As we continue to give you this live coverage from the capital city of Harare, all the way from the Zimbabwe ground. And as we continue to give you this live coverage on Zimzi ITV. Looks like Zimbabwean flags are selling very fast. People demonstrating their love for Zimbabwe and the colors. You know the flag that also Ivan Mawarire was arrested for using for his hashtag. Hashtag this flag. People are buying it now. Right, these are scores of the people getting past the reserve bank. We have just gone past Samora Machel Avenue. Just taking a tour around the city. We are going towards Herbert Chitepo Road. That also turns, if we turn right, we'll be going towards 2nd Street, and if we proceed, we'll be going towards Parerenyatwa. We're just going past one of Mudede's offices here, where people get to register for birth certificates. I've just gone past the Harare Gardens on my right. This is the central registry where you get to register for your passports in Zimbabwe, birth certificate, a place that became very popular with people who were going out of Zimbabwe, who are now described as the diaspora. Many people came here to collect their passports, birth certificates, and all sorts of things. But it became so popular because of people who were leaving Zimbabwe for greener pastures, going to neighboring countries and to Europe and elsewhere. There is no nation in Zimbabwe or country in the whole world that doesn't have a Zimbabwean nationality because of the situation which was prevailing in Zimbabwe. And right now people are marching towards, we are along Herbert Chitepo. We're turning right into Herbert Chitepo, and the Harare Gardens is on my right. As people continue to walk from the Zimbabwe grounds, continue to the State House. Yes, they are walking on foot. They are walking on foot in their national colors, which is the Zimbabwe flag. Hashtag this flag. This is the American embassy, where rumors say Jonathan Moyo was apprehended on his way going to the American embassy, but later on we later heard that he was at the Blue Roof House. More of the details will continue to emerge on what exactly happened when the defense forces unveil their operation of getting rid of those people that have been around President Robert Mugabe for some time, looting. So as the Zimbabwe Defense Forces say to us that they want to get rid of them. We have turned into the avenues, right? This is Mazowe Street. Because of the passages that are closed with the congestion that we are experiencing today in town, we have diverted via Mazowe Street to try and see if we can get a closer glimpse to what's happening towards the State House. We are along Mazowe Street. We are just going to zoom in on the other end that goes towards, on my right, that goes towards the State House to see what's happening. But on the other street that we have just gone past, we can see that scores of people are still walking towards the First Street, and also cars are driving towards the State House. It's becoming more and more slower and slower as we're experiencing a slow movement of the traffic along the right side of this geographical location. We are approaching the Baines Clinic right now, and on our right, this is Baines Avenue. We are just going to zoom in and see what's happening towards that other end. This is Baines Street. As we zoom in, right, I failed to see that one, but scores of people continue to walk along that side, and this is Avenues Clinic. Some of the clinics that don't have medication, hence they have nurses to dispense the medication, but there's nothing to dispense. This is the Avenues Clinic, as you can see here. It's Avenues Clinic, and many people are just being admitted into this clinic, and many of them do not have enough medication. And I can also confirm that we are continuing to give you live coverage here on ZimDI TV. This is Chinamano Road, and some are continuing with their shopping, but I can see through the trees that beyond 2nd Street extension there is a crowd which is gathering to witness or to demonstrate their anger towards the president of Zimbabwe, Comrade Robert Mugabe, that we don't need you anymore. We now need change in this country. We now need industries to function. We now need investors who failed to come into this country because of the indigenous laws that were planted by the cabal, so they say. This is Chinamano Road. and some are continuing with their shopping, but I can see through the trees that beyond 2nd Street extension there is a crowd which is gathering to witness or to demonstrate their anger towards the president of Zimbabwe, Comrade Robert Mugabe, that we don't need you anymore. We now need change in this country. We now need industries to function. We now need investors who failed to come into this country because of the indigenous laws that were planted by the Cabal, so they say. This is Chinamano Road, and some are continuing with their shopping, but I can see through the trees that beyond 2nd Street extension there is a crowd which is gathering. This is Josiah Tongo Gara. We are being told that people are being asked to turn back and go towards the city center. That it may end up being just a merry-go-round of people trying to get to the State House, but as you are aware, maybe the defense forces will not allow people to get close to the State House. So we'll continue to give you this live coverage as we take a short break.
Don't see Krug and Doira, Shumba no Ruma. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Don't see Krug and Doira, Shumba no Ruma. Oh yeah, yeah.
GTB Beats.
Upenyu wedu uri mumaoko ashi kweterano. Atichichidzirwe nembwa dzisina mazino. Kure kure kwatiri kuyenda, kure kure kwatiri kubva. Vemuduze duze vari kuvenga, vemuduze duze vari kurwadziwa. Kwatsamba kure ndichite amambure, amutichize amutikwatise. Vaitibata kunge varanda vavo, sisata vaitikwatisa. Upenyu hwevhiri hunotenderera, Mwari ndivo vakazochinja mpaka. Life haisi nyore nyore, Zimbabwe furniture. Aiva madziva ava mazambuko. Kwatsamba kure ndichite amambure, amutichize amutikwatise. Bora mberi hatidzoki kumashure, amutichize amutikwatise.
This livecast has been powered by Zim DITV News, a division of Sly Media Productions, specialists in social media streaming and in-house TV productions. This livecast has been powered by Zim DITV News, a division of Sly Media Productions, specialists in social media streaming and in-house TV productions. This livecast has been powered by Zim DITV News, a division of Sly Media Productions, specialists in social media streaming and in-house TV productions.